Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download your Simplii Financial bank statement. In order to do so, here we are logged into Simplii, and you should find your accounts right here where you can see my face. I have my information covered because you don't need to see that, but you could see here that if I hover my mouse over the section here, then it's going to turn into the hand, and that gives us an indication that we can click on this and then move on to our account information. So let's go ahead and move on to that. And then here on your account details page, what you're looking for is found here up at the top of your account information, which I have blocked here. You could see this link that says view e-statements. And so that's what we want to click on next. And once you're on the next page, then you will see your statements. And all you have to do is just click on any of the statements that you want to download. I'll give you an example. So we'll just click this here. And boom, there you go. We have downloaded our statement from Simplii. And that's basically all there is to that. But I also want to tell you about the Simplii Refer a Friend program, because it's a fantastic program that Simplii offers where you can make $125 for every referral, and anyone that you refer can get $50 when they open up an account with Simplii. Let me show you how it works. So here on the Refer a Friend page, we can see that you can earn unlimited cash when you refer friends to join Simplii. Make banking simple for you and your friends and family, and you can earn thousands. It's easy. Here's how it works. Make sure you have an eligible Simplii Financial account. Activate your unique Refer a Friend link, and then let your friends know and start earning money. You can earn $125 when your friend opens a your friend opens a no-fee checking account, high-interest savings account, cashback Visa card, or personal line of credit. So what you're going to want to do is come to the Refer a Friend program once you have started your account, and you can accept the terms and conditions, and then you will be provided with your unique Simplii link. Now, if you want to get started with Simplii, if you check out the link in the description, you will find that there is a referral link there for you that you can take advantage of. And guess what? You use that link, I get $125, you get $50. You go set up an account, refer your friends, you get the $125 and your friends get the $50. So that's a pretty sweet deal. Win-win, everybody's happy. Check it out. I can't recommend Simplii Financial enough. Ever since I made the switch over to them, I've been very happy. So if you're looking for a new bank, check out Simplii Financial and get started with the Refer a Friend program. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.